What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the calls dropping issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all take out the SIM card from your phone and clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card put it back in your phone. So reinserting the SIM will fix the call dropping issue sometimes, but if you're still facing the issue then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and when this circle gets green then you can lift up your finger from your screen to restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix the calls dropping issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings. So when you will enter the PIN, password or pattern, it will reset all your network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the calls dropping issue will also be fixed. So that's how you can fix the calls dropping issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.